Your team is building the next great product, but with complex supply chains, frequent delays, and unpredictable quality, how do you steer your team to success? Enter Factorem, a digital manufacturing partner, unlocking the potential of trade-friendly nations to ensure competitive pricing, high quality, and on-time shipping. Simply drag and drop your entire project folder, customize specifications like technology, surface finish, tolerance, and get AI-driven quotes trained on real market pricing data in seconds. Share quotations easily with your team before checking out. Factorem's order matching system uses more than 80 order data points and 400 supplier data points to match jobs precisely with vetted suppliers. These suppliers follow strict order-ready management protocols, completing a checklist with visual proof, photos, and QC reports before we dispatch shipment to your doorstep. Save even more time by reordering parts in one click. Factorem's largest curated manufacturing partner network in Southeast Asia undergoes test assessments and detailed questionnaires to ensure quality. Suppliers are regularly evaluated on performance. Global shipping experts ensure delivery in days, not months, with no minimum order requirement. By leveraging trade-friendly nations like Singapore, Factorem ships custom parts globally without extra taxes, increasing competitiveness. Experience seamless manufacturing with Factorem, your trusted gateway to custom manufacturing.